every nurse awake tonight. This is for the tired hearts in scrubs, the silent heroes, the angels in the dark. Oh, nurses, angels in the night, working till the morning light, saving souls with gentle hands, holding hearts that barely stand. When the whole world falls asleep, you stay awake while people weep. No gold, no crown, no luxury, but heaven knows your bravery. You hear the crying in the ICU, still find the strength to make it through. Cleaning wounds, easing pain, standing strong in loss and rain. Somebody's mother calls your name, somebody's child breathes again. And even when your body breaks, you still show love for humanity's sake. Weekend shifts and holidays, you sacrifice your life away, while others dance beneath neon lights. You're saving lives all through the night, and nobody sees the tears you hide. Nobody knows how much you fight. Your feet are tired, your soul is weak, still compassion is the language you speak.
Oh, nurses, angels in the night, fighting death with all your might, healing wounds nobody sees, giving broken hearts some peace. You hold the weak till their fear is gone, you stay beside them till the dawn. And though the world forgets your name, God in heaven knows your pain, yeah.
Night shift, no sleep, red eyes in the hallway, running on caffeine, prayers and faith all day. Heartbeat monitors screaming in the darkness, still you move calm through the chaos and madness. People judge fast when a patient dies, never see the tears hidden in your eyes. Underpaid warriors with the biggest heart, still stitching broken humans back apart. While celebrities flex in designer clothes, nurses fighting death where nobody goes. Missing birthdays, weddings, family dinners, still showing love like true life healers. No medals, no applause, no fame, still every patient remembers your name. Cause when life was fading and hope got thin, you were the reason they breathed again.
Oh, don't give up, even when the nights get cold. Your kindness worth more than gold. Every life you tried to save, every hand you held in pain, every soul you comforted will never be forgotten. Oh, nurses, angels dressed in blue, the world keeps breathing because of you. You calm the fear, you heal the scars, you carry hope through every dark. And even when exhaustion wins, you still rise up and fight again. Heroes walking hospital halls, the strongest hearts of them all. To every nurse listening tonight, you are appreciated, you are important, you are loved. Angels and scrubs, forever.